Meet the 2022 Toyota CHR. Quick, nimble, and reshaping what it means to be a compact crossover. Inside and out, CHR carves its own path with smart engineering and contemporary design that blends SUV utility with hatchback sensibility. So let's take a closer look and see just how many big features this compact packs. CHR's lineup is divided into two core grades, XLE and the top-tier limited grade that can be spec'd out with a two-tone paint with its available black roof. The sleek Nightshade Edition returns to CHR's lineup for 2022. This special model features 18-inch black alloy wheels and blacked-out exterior accents. As expected, Nightshade Edition comes in black, but like Limited, it also comes in 3 eye-catching colors paired with a black roof. CHR's exterior styling brings it up another level, with deep, distinctive body lines forming a striking silhouette. And it doesn't stop at looks. This sporty compact has a functional design that still plays the part of a 4-door coupe. CHR also boasts choice exterior features like available 18-inch wheels, standard LED headlights, and a standard color-keyed spoiler with a unique cantilevered design. On the inside, CHR styling is just as edgy, with a sporty and modern interior layout that's inviting for both driver and passengers. And the available heated leather front seats and available leather-trimmed steering wheel provide extra touches of luxury as well. And CHR doesn't cut back on creature comforts. In fact, all grades feature an 8-inch audio multimedia touchscreen, perfect for its standard compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to Apple Music, Maps, Messages, and other favorite apps from your iPhone. In addition, Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices, while Amazon Alexa connectivity keeps Amazon's digital assistant just a question away. Plus, there's a standard 3-month SiriusXM Platinum Plan trial subscription that includes over 165 channels available in cabin, and even more on the SXM mobile app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. Safety is a top priority with CHR, which is why it comes standard with the advanced Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 suite of active safety systems. That includes pre-collision system, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, and other important safety features. Finally, CHR is packed with cutting-edge conveniences, like an available blind spot monitor with rear cross-traffic alert system, available heated auto-folding outside mirrors, and available puddle lights that let you step out in style. All in all, the 2022 CHR packs a ton of utility and attitude into a compact package. With its expressive styling inside and out, this one-of-a-kind crossover delivers modern convenience in a smart package. And CHR's value story is taken even further with ownership perks like the 2-year Toyota Care no-cost maintenance plan with roadside assistance. Visit toyota.com/CHR to learn more.